I've spotted. There's a little fledgling. A little buddy. Okay. Zoom in on him. A handsome little boy. I think it's a boy. Looking very healthy. Just wanted to get a bit close, see if he moves away, like, because usually if they don't and they just sit there looking at you, looking really scruffy, and that means they're dehydrated and hungry. Little guys, that's a harsh lesson in life. Get really hungry, but he's calling for his parents now. Luckily I know his parents, so I'm not getting attacked. I'll show you where his parents are. They're here somewhere. There you go. Proof. Dad's just there watching like everything that I do. Most people wouldn't be able to get that sort of close. They'd come down and swoop away, but luckily I know them. Feed them peanuts. There you go. Here comes Dad, he knows. Off goes Junior, calling for his dad. Feed me. There's his dad, just picked up that peanut that I threw. I'm on very good terms with this lot. I've been accepted into the community, luckily. So, there you go. We'll see if we can spot Junior and keep an eye on him for the next couple of weeks. I bet he grows into a nice handsome crow. The dad, look, feasting on his nut.